Now the next login we have is student login and faculty login. So first we'll move to faculty login. To login, select the campus or college and give your employee ID, give your password and select the session and then click on login. You will enter into EduCamp. Now on the basis of the requirement of a faculty member, there are various modules, that is home, exams, library, DRR, stock and salary. Now the first one is home, in which the first form is view profile. To view your profile, you can use this particular form of view profile in home module. The next form you have is change password. To change your password, type the old password, type the new password and confirm the password and click on update. The password will be changed. Now after this, the next form in home module is subject specialization. To know the subject you are teaching and your teacher ID and all the information about your experiences, proficiency, etc., you can use this particular form. Now the next module we have is exams module, in which the first form is subject wise marks entry. To enter the marks obtained by the students in your subject, you can use this particular form. For this, select a class, select the exam and select your subject. As soon as you select the subject, it will automatically show the maximum marks of that particular subject and then click on fill grid. And now the list of all the students whose marks are yet not been entered will be shown. Select the student whose marks are to be entered. Now suppose there is no student who has taken any medical leave during examination or was absent for any other reason. You can hide these fields by clicking on medical and absent. Enter the marks obtained by the student, for example, now, in this particular column of obtained by paper, the marks will be shown automatically after making the entries of marks in the number of students you wanted to make. Simply click on save and save the list. The marks will be inserted successfully. And to make any changes in the marks which were given to the students previously, you can use this option of completed students and then click on fill grid. It will show the list of the students whose marks were already entered. You can make the changes as per your requirement and then save the marks which are changed. After this, the next module we have is library module, in which the first form is search or reserve book. For searching a particular book, you can use various fields like item category, item status, language, edition, issue from, volume, publication, author name, vendor name, category name, or else simply click on search and it will give the list of all the books in the library. Now, to reserve a particular book First of all, check the availability status, that is, if the book is already reserved, it cannot be reserved by anyone else. And if the availability status has nothing written against it, that is, whether issued or reserved, you can reserve this book simply clicking on Reserve Book, and the book will be reserved. Now the next form in library we have is View Reservation History. To know the number of books which are reserved on your name, you can use this particular form. It will show the description of the books which are reserved on your name, that is, the book name, issued from, reservation date, reservation expiry date, and the name of author of that book and the edition. Now the next form in library module is View Transaction History. To view the number of transactions you had with library, you can use this particular form. It will give the details including the book name, issued from, author name, etc. Now the next module we have is DRR module, that is Daily Report Register module. To view if any of the tasks is being assigned to you by the administrator, you can use this particular form. It will show the detail of all the tasks which are assigned to you. To reply to the administrator, click on Reply and Add Remarks and click on Submit. The response will be shown to the administrator. After this, you have Stock. To make any requisition or to make any demand about anything which you need from stock, you can use this particular form. For this, give a requisition number, remarks, select the item category, for example air conditioner, select the item name, quantity, and select the unit and click on Add. The requisition will be added. Now after this, the next module is Salary module. To generate a pay slip for your salary, you can use this particular module. For that, select the month for which the payslip is to be generated and click on Search. The payslip will be generated showing the salary received together with the allowances and deductions.